Hey everybody, Willow here, and today I'm going to be explaining to you why every single Canadian needs to know what a TFSA is. So just starting off with what the basics of what a TFSA is. A TFSA is a tax-free savings account. That's right, it's tax-free. There definitely are some rules you need to follow, some of the trading rules that we will be getting into today. But in general, a TFSA allows you to invest tax-free into the stock market as well as mutual funds. One thing I want to note before we get really into this is that TFSA is a non-tax deductible account. So if you make any deposits to it, it is non-tax deductible. If you lose any money in it, it is non-tax deductible. Me personally, I like to use my TFSA for longer term investments, and for more active trading investments, I like to use a regular non-registered trading account. So the first thing with a TFSA is that there is a yearly contribution limit of $7,500 for 2025. What that means is that you can only put in $7,500 in the year of 2025. If you have any extra room in your TFSA, the thing that's really cool about it is that it rolls over into the next year. So then you can actually accumulate TFSA contribution room. And that contribution room starts as soon as you turn 18 and you are a tax resident of Canada. Now let's get into the investment rules section, which states that you are allowed to have normal investment options such as cash, mutual funds, securities that are listed on a designated stock exchange, GICs, and bonds. The investments you are not allowed to have are direct ownership of real estate and certain derivatives and private shares. In my opinion, it's a pretty standard set of rules, and it's understandable because at the end of the day, you're not paying taxes on it. So they have to have some rules of what you can and cannot do. So let's get into the trading rules of this. And I don't know if you can tell by my tone, but it isn't my favorite part of a TFSA. So with TFSAs, you are not allowed to trade as a business. What counts as trading as a business, you might say? Well, they're really vague on what the CRA deems as what it counts as a business, but usually is if you're day trading a lot or you're making frequent trades that look like a business. So things that kind of count towards that is like how often you trade, how long you hold your trades, how much time you spend trading and researching, your experience level in trading strategy, and also your intent. So that's why I kind of said at the starting what I do is I put my active stuff inside of a different account, and I put my non-active stuff inside of my TFSA. You can make your decision. I just want to let you guys know about the rules and regulations behind this. So let's talk about withdrawals, because that's one of the most important things, because you can invest all your money all you want, but you're wondering how you get it out. You can take your money out basically as soon as you want. The only thing is with a TFSA is it does take a day to settle on stocks. I believe that's on all Canadian stocks, but it takes a day to settle on a TFSA. But if you want to put that money back in, you have to make sure you don't go over your limit. That's a very important thing, because the CRA will charge a 1% penalty per month on the extra. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put a little more effort into it than I did the last video. Also, I did talk a little slower because I did notice in that credit card video I talked a little quick. Yeah, we're just getting started here. We've been a little under 2 weeks, a little over a week, kind of somewhere in that middle part. And I'm going to be trying to post every Wednesday. The next couple weeks, I will not be posting, but I will get back to posting after that. I will still be posting shorts, so look out on YouTube and my TikTok for my shorts. They also kind of reveal my next video a little bit. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have been more informed than you were before. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.